Hi guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how I style my short slash long hair. Yeah, so let's get straight into the video. I hope you enjoy. Right, so the first hairstyle I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a tad bit of my hair at the top, if you can see that. And then I'm going to go under again, and then on my next one I grab a bit and go under, and then I grab my under section and go under. Like that, and then you tie it off with a little elastic band. Then what I'm going to do is just pull out that plait at the bottom, pull it all the way up, the plait that is. I'm just going to be pulling out the sides. With the other side, I'm basically going to do the exact same thing. Grab a small section like that, 3 strands. Want to go underneath, and then underneath again, underneath for a 3rd time. You want to grab a bit and then pull it underneath. Little elastic. By the way, I am quite ill, so don't judge. We're gonna first of all stretch this one out. And then just want to pull out those sides as well. If you're like me, you have a load of baby hair, so yeah. What I do with these 2 plaits, one of them goes underneath this one, pin it in there, so your hairstyle will look like this.
Looking crazy now, looking crazy.
Right, so another hairstyle I'm gonna have to show you. I throw my hair forward, pick it up, and then twist your hairband. I use a scrunchie for this, so if you want to pick up a scrunchie, then I would do so. Grab it like this, and you twist, and then you grab the end together like that, and then you go over that, and then you go back over that, like that, and then you twist it round like that. You pull out some sides, bring it to how you would like it. I always rip out a tad each side just to give it that look, and then I tighten the bun at the root. Yeah. So, gosh, I'm so sorry guys. As soon as I stopped videoing last time, I literally just had to do it again. I just love it. I actually love it. It's a new love of mine. So exciting. My third hairstyle, take apart from here to here, all the way back to the crown. What you want to do is you want to tie up the bottom, then tie up the bottom, make sure it's tied tight so no hairs can get in, and then fling it back. I know, lovely, isn't it? Lovely. Right, and then you want to grab the first part, tiny part, doesn't have to be neat, doesn't really matter, you're not going to see the underneath. Right, so now I just done Dutch braids, so now I'm going to do a French plait, which is going over. You want to grab a part and fling that part over. Like that. You want to grab a part, add it to this part, over. What you want to do, you want to plait a little bit so you have a little bit to work with, just there. Just so you want to plait a little bit more. You want to grab an elastic and tie that up. You want to pull it out. And then with this bit, because it's not looking too appealing right now, we're going to twist that round. Right, there's our top knot. Why has that come out? Oh. And there we have it. Right, so that is the finished look. My third hairstyle is just going to be the normal 2 Dutch braids, and basically I'm gonna go in the middle for this one, okay? Then we're gonna get a side from this side, like that, not too big, not too small, and we're gonna start with 3. Here we go, under, and then that one. I'm sorry it's messy. Another one on this side, and just grab a part. Not too big, not too small. Then we want to take 3 strands and go go under. With the fourth one, you want to grab a bit and go under, and then grab that bit and go under. To tie that off like that. God blimey. Right, so we got two little pigtails here, and then what we're gonna do, pull them out a bit, just so they stand out a bit more. Yes, I'm a bit of a nutcase, guys. I don't care, okay? For my next hairstyle, I'm going to do some top knots. You get the corner of your eyebrow and you go all the way back to where about your crown is, and then just go round to that finger. Put that in a top knot. Let me show you, let me show you. Let's stop. Twist that round, twist it round. My baby girl. Sorry, I'm talking to my girl. You go from the height of your brow, because that's what I do. And then twist and twist and twist. There is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing a skincare video, interesting for anyone who's having problems with their skincare, because I used to have quite bad acne. My skincare routine now, they've completely disappeared. Other than that, I'm going to do a few vlogs, a few hauls, a load of beauty hauls. So if you are interested in any of that, I would suggest subscribing. I am new, so please be kind on comments. I hope you have enjoyed. I will see you again next week. I'm going to be posting every single Monday. I'm not too sure what time. Please subscribe, please like. I will see you next Monday. Bye.